How to use Zoho CRM to streamline your sales process. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be discussing about how you can streamline your sales processes using Zoho in 2023. So as we all know, sales is the backbone of any successful business, and using the right tools and software can make a huge difference in your bottom line. Zoho is an extremely powerful and versatile platform that can help you manage your sales process from start to finish. So let's dive in and see how it works. So basically, first thing first, let's start with a brief overview of Zoho. So as we all know, we have it in front of us. Zoho is a cloud-based software suite that offers a wide range of business applications, including sales, marketing, finance, and more. It's an all-in-one platform that allows you to basically manage your entire business from a single dashboard. Zoho's sales module is particularly powerful with features like lead management, pipeline management, and analytics that can help you streamline your sales process and close more deals. So now that we've obviously discussed the whole overview, let's go ahead and discuss on how you can set up your Zoho account. So the first step in using Zoho to streamline your sales process is setting up your main account, obviously. If you don't already have a Zoho account, head over to the Zoho website, as so, and create one. So to create an account, what you're going to do is you're going to come here, okay, add your details. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but if you want to do this for the long run, please do make sure to use a proper email for yourself, because a temp mail can be quite costly for you, okay? So once we have, added all the details, so there we go. You're going to agree to the terms and services and then just click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, here it says we're heading you into Zoho. So it just takes a second to sign you up, okay? And once it signs you up and everything, what's going to happen from there on out is it's going to take you to the whole Zoho dashboard. And once you're into the Zoho dashboard, from there on out, what's going to happen is you're going to see all these kinds of different tools and stuff like that. And obviously you have the lead management, contact management, pipeline management. You can analyze your sales data and much more. So you're just going to discuss all that once you come over here. So here, as you can see, we're going to be loaded into the main homepage of Zoho. So let's wait for it to load us into that. As you can see, I have been loaded into the main Zoho CRM space. Now over here, it's going to ask me for my company name. I'm just going to add something random, doesn't matter. And then just click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, here it says, "Hi, we're happy to have you on board. Where would you like to start?" Now, you could say, "I want to take a tour of Zoho," or you could just click on show me how to migrate my data. I'm just going to go and click on skip because I don't need any of those. So once you click on skip, from here on out, what you're going to do is you're just going to come here. So once you're here, you'll see a dashboard that gives you an overview of your sales processes. From here, you can start adding leads, contacts, and deals. So I'm going to be showing you how to add lead, contacts, and deals accordingly. Pretty simple stuff. So to first of all, this home section, you can see all the analytics for all the stuff you're doing, like your open tasks, your meetings, and much more. So you see all the analytics over here, and you can refresh it to change the components and stuff. Then there's the leads tab, okay? Now in the leads tab, you can see how do you bring in leads. There are a lot of ways to identify prospective customers for your product or services. So you can either import a lead. It could be, using a CSV and a Excel file, something like that. Or you can create a lead for yourself. So you can just click on create lead. Once you click on create lead, as you can see, you can just start adding information and then add a lead for yourself. It's that easy. And from there on out, you can just click on save and new, and that will just, add new leads for you. So it's pretty basic stuff, pretty easy stuff. Then there's the contacts tab, okay? So how to get the most out of your contacts. Engage contacts through multiple channels. Keep track of contacts in a single place. And obviously, accordingly, you can create a contact or you can import a contact. Importing a contact using CSV or Excel, pretty basic stuff. And to create a contact, just go ahead and click on create a contact. Click on create a contact. You're going to be directed over here. Again, same as the leads one. You're just going to add all the information you can. And once you've done doing all that, it's going to automatically add the contact. Then there's the account section. Obviously, who are your customers? Some businesses provide services to other businesses, and some work directly with end users. Each account is one organization or department you to do business with. So yeah, accordingly, you can create or import an account the same way. Pretty basic, pretty easy stuff. So yeah, just add whatever you like. And then finally, there's the deals tab. So again, how do you monitor your sales? Again, import deals or create deals. And as you can see, you can create deals, add your amount, closing date, and everything. And yeah, that's how basic and simple it is. Then basically is managing your leads and contacts. Adding is simple. Managing them is a tricky one because the key to a successful sales process is managing your leads and contacts effectively. Zoho's lead and contact management tools make it easy to keep track of your prospects and customers. You can add new leads and contacts manually or import them from a CSV file. Once you've added a lead or contact, you can assign them to a salesperson, set up automated follow-up emails, and track their progress through your sales pipeline. Then obviously there's managing your sales pipeline. And obviously to manage your sales pipeline, you can go into your analytics and Zoho's pipeline management tools are another key feature that can help you streamline your sales process. You can set up custom stages for your pipeline, add deals to each stage, and track their progress as they move through the pipeline. You can also set up automated reminders and notifications to keep your sales teams on track and ensure that no deals fall through the cracks. So once you're done with all that, then comes your analyzing your sales data, where you can finally see Zoho's analytical tools, which allow you to dig deep into your sales data. So if you were to just click on done over here, as you can see, just dig deep and optimize your sales process. You can track key metrics like conversion rates, deal size, and sales size length, and use this data to identify areas for improvement. You can also create custom reports and dashboards to visualize your data and share it with your team. But yeah, there you basically have it, a brief overview of how you can use Zoho to streamline your sales process in 2023. Whether you're a small business owner or a sales manager at a large enterprise, Zoho's powerful features can help you close more deals, increase your revenue, and grow your business. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is when it comes to Zoho. So if you were to go through everything again, just come to the website, okay, zoho.com/CRM. Then all you're going to do, just sign up yourselves into their, whole sign up process. Pretty simple stuff. Now, as you can see, it has super fast work, steadfast growth. And you can come to their main overview landing page. You can check all the things out over there. You can also see their features right down here if you don't want to sign up and get into it straight away. And then yes, again, if I were to discuss the pricings that they give you, there's 4 different plans: the standard, the professional, the enterprise, and the ultimate. Standard is $14, professional is $23, enterprise is $40, and ultimate is $52. So respectively, you get all the features accordingly to whatever the price is. But yeah, that's basically all there is to this video. That's all there is to discuss when it comes to Zoho. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.